Why is my Cricut not cutting cleanly? Method 1. Match material settings. Step 1. Point the dial on Custom. Step 2. Open the Design Space app. Step 3. Select the design. Step 4. Click on Make It. Step 5. Click on Continue. Step 6. Select the material. Step 7. Choose the pressure from the drop-down. Note: ensure you have selected the right material either from the dial or the design app. Method 2. Clean cutting blade. Step 1. Open clamp B and take out the blade housing. Step 2. Check that you're using a Cricut blade. Step 3. Make a ball from aluminum foil. Step 4. Press the button on the housing and the blade will come out. Step 5. Push and pull the blade in the aluminum ball until it cleans. Method 3. Increase pressure. Step 1. Click on Browse All Materials. Step 2. Click on Material Settings at the bottom. Step 3. Click Edit to increase the pressure of your desired blade. Method 4. Change the blade. Step 1. Open the clamp B and take out the blade housing. Step 2. Pick your new blade and remove the lid from it. Step 3. Press the button on the housing blade. Step 4. Push the lid into the blade and remove it. Step 5. Put the lid back into the new blade. Press the housing blade button, and shove the blade into its place. Step 6. Put the housing blade back into clamp B and close the lever. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.